I wanted to give y'all a quick tour of 4025 Captiva Row. We're in the Bluffs on the Waterway. This is a fantastic custom-built gated community. The Intracoastal Waterway is right on the other side of these houses at the end of the street. They have a boat dock, or excuse me, day docks, a little boathouse, and a boat ramp that goes in the waterway right off here to the left, and a big clubhouse, swimming pool, tennis courts, playground, meeting space, exercise rooms, as well as a guard gate back up towards the entrance. Really nice homes in this neighborhood. We're going to take a quick look inside this one. It's got a hardy plank exterior, a nice big covered front porch, double car garage. This is concrete fiber siding. Termites don't eat it. It's fire resistant. Really great product. And this home has a really nice open floor plan. Nice ceramic tile floors. Got a big area here up front that could be used as a formal dining room, but the current occupant has it set up as an office or a study. If you wanted to, you could add French doors here. You could add a wall here, make this an office or a study, or leave it open and keep it as a dining room. But it's got a really nice open floor plan. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Got nice stonework, ceiling fans, and it's open all the way through the kitchen, all the way through the dining room and back to the front door. So really pretty home. Got a breakfast nook, a little built-in desk, nice open kitchen, laundry room right here on the first floor. Good sized double car garage. And this does have a door that leads back outside to the backyard. Big hot water heater. You've got a nice private backyard here as well. It's fenced in, big enough to add a pool. Matter of fact, the neighbors on both sides of this home have pools. Which the one thing better than having a pool is having a neighbor next door that has one. Real quiet. Matter of fact, the boat ramp for the waterways right there, and some of the boat storage for the communities back behind this house, so you don't have another home behind you. Nice palmetto trees. Nice setup. There's also a half bath on this floor. I like the ceramic tile wall. There's me. Hi. Lots of closet storage as well. This is a big closet that goes back behind the stairs. And another coat closet here. These hardwood stairs. There are 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths up here. First off, we've got a great size master bedroom here. It's a king size bed, tray ceiling, nice floors. Really big room, big walk-in closet. You have his and her sinks, a good jacuzzi tub, a vanity. There's me again. Hi. Then a separate door for the water closet. And there's a shower here as well. Nice high ceilings. Got guest bedroom number 2. Again, high ceiling, ceiling fan. This is also set up as an office. I love the half round window. Really nice room up here. with 2 closets. We have guest bath, granite countertops, ceramic tile floors. This bath has a tub shower combo. And then guest bedroom number 3. And guest bedroom number 4. Again, both are good size, lots of natural light. So this is 4025 Captiva Row in the Bluffs on the Waterway. It's a great home in a fantastic neighborhood. This is actually the best valued, best price house in the Bluffs on the Waterway. For more information, give me a call. My name is Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. All my contact information is right below. If you want to take a private tour of this home, I'm willing to help.